Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I just want to share with you my 2023 first MS quarterback offers. And this time I got offered a Birkin 30 and it is one of the limited edition that just came out recently. It's called the 3-in-1 Birkin. So finally, after one whole year of waiting, I say one whole year, but it is literally 15 months. To be exact, I finally get my quota offers for the year 2023. So in 2022, I got one of the offers and it's happened in January. I got offered the Mini Kelly 2 in the shiny alligator. The color is black and gold hardware. That is absolutely beautiful. It's just a showstoppers. It's really expensive. Super expensive. Is around $29,000 out of the door. And so that bag is caught me a lot of problems. Several days of crying and wailing and several months of waiting. So things happened to that bag, okay? It happened to that bag, and up until now, it is still giving me a really mixed feelings. But do I love it? Hell yes, I love it. But yes, that is the one and only bag that I got offered in the year 2022. After that, no more quarterback offered to me, no Birkin, no Kelly, no nothing. I do ask for some of the other handbags that I currently do not have in my collections, but I can obtain it through store. There is no leather offers. Most of the time, whenever I go into the store, I ask for something. Of course, from time to time, my essays does have one of this, one of that, but in the end, I turn down pretty much all of them until like December. Then I finally got one of the leather bag, a handbag from him. The main reason is because a lot of the handbag that he have in stock and that he could offer to me are not on my list. It's not something I'm looking for, so I turn it all down, and I am not regretting turning all any of those down. But finally in 2023 in January, I got offered it's a Constant 18, so it's like a mini Constant that a lot of people call, or it's a Constant 19. I'm not so sure, the size all over the place, but it is a mini Constant. That's what it say on the box, right? In the receipt. So it is a mini Constant, and it is in some leathers, and it's a E-tube and silver hardware. It's just so beautiful. I love it, like loving it. I just drooling all over it, and I just can't believe it's happened, you know. I did purchase a lot of items in 2022 throughout the years. I am not purchasing like crazy amount. I wouldn't say I purchased anywhere near the price of the Mini Kelly. So the Mini Kellys I purchased is $29,000, but in the year of 2022, I didn't purchase as much as $29,000 for the whole calendar year. I did purchase a little bit of things here, a little bit of things there, but nothing near $29,000. But finally, in January, I got off for my mini Constant, and it's just so lovely and it's beautiful. But then after January, I haven't purchased anything. I did go back to the store once or twice, but I didn't purchase anything. I did purchase a scarf, but that's it. It's just a scarf. It's nothing compared to the price of the Birkin that I purchased today. So I got my first quota offer in the year 2023, and I just can't wait. I have to show it to you guys. It's such a lovely, beautiful edition that I was finally be able to add to my collection. So I have made a appointment to come in to see him, and this is the box that I am coming out of the store with. Oh my god, it's such a big box. Ah. So this time, after purchasing, he was like, do you want an orange bag or do you like a white bag? And I was like, give me the white one. It's okay. I have a lot of orange ones, so just give me a white one today. Because lately there's a lot of, news that's saying people just get out of like a luxury store and maybe just walk around on the street with a luxury paper shopping bag and they got robbed. So I am scared. So I was like, okay, let's put it in a white bag. It's okay. My car is parked like right in front of the store, so I am not afraid of anything. But at the same time, my essay take me to the door, so I was fine. But I asked for a white bag. So this is the magical box. So let's open it up. Oh, this is heavy. So this is a Birkin 30. Ah. Oh, that's magical moment. So this is the receipt. I will coming back to it and tell you the price of this beautiful baby. So in here, here's the booklet that's always come with it. So we have the raincoat as well, but I have never used this. Okay, I don't use my Birkin or Kelly when it's raining outside. Let me put this down. So here is another bag that came with this bag. Yay! So let me show you the big bag first. Oh, the smell of the brand new bag. The smell was no joke. So he offered me a Birkin 30 and the color is E-tube and Go Hardware. So this year is the E-tube years for me. Everything is in E-tube. Look at this. So beautiful. So can you tell, like this Birkin, it doesn't have the Birkin flap. So it's come like this, right? So in January, my Constant Mini is also E-tube and silver hardware. So I was, joking around with him. So this year must be the E-tube year for me because I didn't have anything E-tube before that. Oh, I have a Picatinny 18 E-tube actually. So this is my Birkin 30. I really love E-tube. I didn't like it that much before, but now I do. I just think the color is just so much of a neutral color. It's look good with everything. I mean, it's go along with anything that I wear, and it's just so beautiful. And I love the contrast, like stitching. Sorry for the silent moment. At this point, my microphone decided to run out of battery. And I didn't even notice. So I keep on talking and unboxing at the same time. So here's me revealing the clutch that's come with the bag. So this is why they call this Birkin a 3-in-1 bag, because you can literally wear 3 different styles. And this 3-in-1 Birkin is made up from 3 different type of material: Togo, Swift, and canvas. So another way to call it the 3-in-1. It does took quite a lot of effort to, resembling the bag back together in one piece. But just to think about how much fun it could be for you to take it apart, whereas a different style, I am in love with this bag. And also I really like it that I could get in and out of the bag quite easily now because of the style. The flap is all the way to the front, so it's very easy to reach in and out of the bag. So beside the Birkin 30, I also picked up one of the beautiful Rodeo. That's my essay. Finally be able to find for me. I am super happy and I just have to share it with you guys. It's one of the really, really beautiful exotic touch Rodeo that you could find. It's like one of the most sought after combos that there is. So since it's a Rodeo Touch, it does come with the site paper. And this Rodeo is very unique. I have been seeing it for some time and I have been looking for it for a while. A lot of people selling this one like for a premium, a high premium. But I finally found one in the store. Yay! My essay having it for me. It is putting aside together with my Birkin. But this is one of the unexpected items. I didn't think that he have it for me, but finally he have it for me. So it's Rodeo Touch, and this is all white, so in the color gray. The material, I believe, is Swift, and this part right here, the saddle part, is actually in ombre leather. Oh, I just wish I have an like he could offer me a handbag in this ombre leather material. It's just so beautiful. I love ombre leather. So this Rodeo is from last year 2022 because on here it is in the stem U. And here's the MS logo. And it does come with the 2 of the Alcott and Equa sign. It stands for ombre leather. It's just so beautiful. And it just looks so good with my Birkin 30. The eTube color just goes so well with this one. It just like bring out the bag. It's just so beautiful. It's just a perfect match. And on my hand is the receipt. So let me break down the damage that I did today for you guys. I mean, on the date I pick up the Birkin. So this Birkin 3-in-1 is called Birkin 3-in-130, and it's a Swift calfskin military canvas and Togo. Because there's 3 different material on this bag and you can take it out, wear it 3 ways, so that's why it's called a 3-in-1. And the price for the Birkin is $15,200. Yep, that is the retail for this baby right now. One of my friends got offered this bag last year and she told me the price of it last year when she got it is $14,700. So we have a big price increase on 2023, and from from 14,700 it's become 15,200 this year. And the price of the Rodeo, this little baby right here is $730. I know. I am not so sure how much it was last year before the price increase, because this is my first piece of Rodeo in the Lizard Touch. But this baby right here, this year, the price is $730. So after tax, my total became $17,562.83. Yeah, yeah, that's how much I dropped on this baby. So now I feel the pain. Yes, so what do you guys think about this Birkin? So that's it for my unboxing video today. Thank you very much for joining me. And if this is what you like luxury shopping, luxury handbag, stop by sometime. So do you like this new version of Birkin, the 3-in-1 Birkin? Do you think it's such a unique piece? And do you think I make the right decision accepting this bag? I am still waiting for my Birkin 25. No news. Yeah, no Birkin 25, yes, but here another Birkin 30, but I am in love with it and I really, really like how easy it is for me to go in and out of this bag. So I feel like if I let this one go, I will be regret for a very long time. So what do you think? Do you like this bag or you don't like this bag? If anything you want to leave a comment down below, please just leave the comment down below and don't hesitate to leave me a like. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next video.